Did you know that invasive species cost the US about $120 billion a year? Population growth is a major driver of the invasive species crisis. In this video, we shall explore how population growth impacts the invasive species and what sustainable solutions there are. What are invasive species? Well, invasive species are plants, animals, or microorganisms that are introduced to a new ecosystem where they do not naturally occur and cause harm to the environment, economy, or even human health. The problem with invasive species is that they can disrupt ecosystems and outcompete native species, leading them to extinction in extreme cases. Additionally, it causes billions of dollars in economic damage. Invasive species can enter new ecosystems via a variety of routes, including trade, travel, and human activities. For example, the air potato is an invasive plant formation, which has caused a big issue in Florida, as it limits the daily light intake of plants because the roots grow and spread at an alarming rate of 8 inches a day. Moreover, air potatoes display thousands of native species, and air potatoes have been listed as one of Florida's most invasive species plants since the year 1993.
How does population growth impact invasive species? Population growth leads to increased habitat destruction and fragmentation, which creates more opportunities for invasive species to establish themselves. Human activities such as trade and travel also play a role in the spread of invasive species. Population growth and urban development in the United States have contributed to the spread of invasive species such as the emerald ash borer and kudzu. Global trade has led to introduction of invasive species to new ecosystems all over the world. Integrated Pest Management, IPM. IPM is a holistic approach to pest control and combines multiple methods such as biological control, cultural practices, and chemical pesticides to reduce pest populations in a sustainable way. Biological control involves using natural enemies such as predators or parasites to control invasive species.
The US Department of Agriculture has used a combination of biological control and IPM to successfully control invasive species such as the gypsy moth and the Mediterranean fruit fly. Public education campaigns have helped to reduce the spread of invasive species such as the fire ant and the zebra mussel.